right, buddy. Now a little gentle now.
And the 1, and the 2, and the 3, jump.
There you go. Gentle, gentle. Oh no. What happened? Nahile. Nahile. Oh, you're all boogery.
A big piece of ice.
Really? Well, yeah, put it away from the fire pit. Are you ready, Klaus and Nahile? All right, let it go. Go for it. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna go back. One more time, quick, before it runs out of time. So, let's try.
All right, on your mark, get set. Oh, okay, wait till she's holding on. Okay. All right, on your mark, get set. Go, slow. Hey, woo! Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Carry, pick her up gently off of it.
No, I didn't really like this.
Oh, are you kissing the doggy?
It's not a real doggy, no.
Okay, just be careful with her. If you're gonna go again, just make sure that you're careful with her, okay?
Don't be put your legs like that.
That's okay. She can put her legs like that. Oh, don't video me.
Let's video conscious.
Can you do
I am.
this, Mom?
I'm not like the rest of the
Can
fam.
you do this with me?
The rest of the family loves being on camera. Are you ready? On your mark. Get set.
Watch your sister.
Go. Whoa. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Your mark. Get set. Go.